This is your Unit 2 exam for equations and inequalities. Multiple choice. You will have 50 minutes and you may use your calculator during this time. Identify the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 1. A neighborhood pool charges $24 for a pool membership plus an additional $2 for each visit to the pool. To use the pool at a local YMCA, visitors are charged $8 per visit. Which equation could Maria use to find the number of visits, V, that will result in the same cost for both pools? A. 24 plus 2V equals 8V. B. 24 plus 10V. C. 2V minus 24 equals 8V. Or D. 2V plus 8V equals 24. This is the end of question 1. Question number 2. Carnival M charges an entrance fee of $5 and 65 cents per ticket for the rides. Carnival P charges an entrance fee of $10 and 45 cents per ticket for the rides. How many tickets must be purchased in order for the total cost at Carnival M and Carnival P to be the same? F. 10, G. 25, H. 50, J. 75. This is the end of question 2. Number 3. Juan wrote the numbers the square root of 4, 2.87, negative square root of 6, and negative 7/3 in order from least to greatest. Which statement is not true about the numbers? A. Negative 7 over 3 is greater than negative square root of 6. B. 2.87 is greater than square root of 4. C. 2.87 is the largest number. Or D. Square root of 4 is greater than 2.87. This is the end of question 3. Number 4. The measures of two angles are 5x plus 24 degrees and 9x minus 17 degrees. What is the value of x if these angles are congruent? F. 1.75, G. 13.2, H. 0.5, or J. 10.25. This is the end of question 4. Number 5. What value of x makes this equation true? X over 3 minus 3 equals x over 9 plus 3. A. 3. B. Negative 9. C. Negative 1. Or D. 27. This is the end of question 5. Number 6. Which situation can be represented by 4x plus 50 is less than 10x? F. Student Council is selling t-shirts for $10. The t-shirt company charges Student Council $4 per shirt and a 50-cent fee for the design. How many shirts do they need to sell to make a profit? G. Netflix charges $4 per month and a $150 membership fee per year. Amazon charges $10 per month with no membership fee. For how many months will each service provider cost the same? H. Margaret saves $10 per week. Her sister Amanda already had $50 saved and continues to save $4 per week. For how many weeks will Amanda make more money than Margaret? Or J. Adrian pays $14 per month and a $50 membership fee to attend a gym. How much will it cost for him to attend the gym for 4 months? This is the end of question 6. Number 7. Which is not a true statement about the square root of 40? A. It is greater than 6 but less than 7. B. It is between the square root of 36 and the square root of 49. C. It is approximately 6.3. Or D. It is greater than 7 but less than 8. This is the end of question 7. Number 8. 2 8th grade classes are selling raffle tickets to raise money. One class is selling tickets for $2.50 each and has already raised $350. The other class is selling tickets for $3 each and has already raised $225. Which equation can be used to find T, the number of additional tickets each class needs to sell so that the total amount raised is the same for both classes? F. 3t plus 350 equals 2.50t plus 225. G. 350t plus 2.50 equals 225t plus 3. H. 2.50t plus 350 equals 3t plus 225. Or J. Not here. This is the end of question 8. Question number 9. Veronica is ordering trophies for her school. Company P charges $3.50 for each trophy and a one-time engraving fee of $25. Company R charges $7.50 for each trophy and a one-time engraving fee of $17. Which inequality can be used to find X, the minimum number of trophies that can be ordered so that the total charge at Company P is less than the total charge at Company R? A. 3.5 plus 25x is less than 7.5 plus 17x. B. 3.5 plus 25x is bigger than 7.5 plus 17x. C. 3.5x plus 25 is less than 7.5x plus 17. Or D. 3.5x plus 25 is bigger than 7.5x plus 17. This is the end of question 9. Question number 10. What covers about 1.395 times 10 to the 8th power square miles of Earth's surface? About 57,300,000 square miles of Earth's surface is land. What is the total area covered by land and water? F. 712,005,000 square miles. G. 196,800,000 square miles. H. 7.125 times 10 to the 5th power square miles. Or J. 1.968 times 10 to the 9th power square miles. This is the end of question 10. Which situation can be represented by the equation 340 plus 5x equals 650 minus 8x? A. Sierra has a bucket that originally contained 340 fluid ounces of water and is being filled at a rate of 5 fluid ounces per minute. Brian has a bucket that originally contained 650 fluid ounces of water and is being drained at a rate of 8 fluid ounces per minute. What is X, the number of minutes that need to pass in order for the two buckets to contain the same amount of water? B. Sierra started with savings of $340 and spends $8 of her savings every week. Brian started with savings of $650 and adds $5 to his savings every week. What is X, the number of weeks that need to pass in order for Sierra and Brian to have the same amount of savings? C. Sierra started with 340 cans of food for a food drive. She collects 5 more cans every day. Brian started with 650 cans of food for the food drive. He collects 8 more cans every day. What is X, the number of days that need to pass in order for Sierra and Brian to have the same number of cans of food. D. Sierra earns 345 points on each level of a video game. Brian earns 642 points on each level of the same video game. What is X? The number of levels that Sierra and Brian would have to play in order for them to have an equal number of points. This is the end of question 10. Question number 12. 9 less than 3 times the number is the same as 4 times the number x increased by 30. Which equation best describes this situation? F. 3x minus 9 equals 30x plus 4. G. 3x minus 9 equals 4x plus 30. H. 9 minus 3x equals 4x plus 30. Or J. 3x plus 9 equals 4x minus 30. This is the end of question 12. Question number 13. You may use your calculator during this time. The model represents an equation. What value of x makes this equation true? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. This is the end of question 13. Question 14. An inequality is given. 3x minus 5 is bigger than or equal to 5x minus 25. What is the greatest value of x that makes this mathematical statement true? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. This is the end of question 14. Question 15. A rectangle's perimeter and its area have the same numerical value. The width of the rectangle is 3 units. What is the length of the rectangle in units? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. This is the end of question 15.
What is it?
Question number 16. If a calculator is your accommodation, you may use it during this question. A gym offers 2 packages for yearly membership. The first plan costs $50 to be a member. Then each visit to the gym is $5. The second plan costs $200 for a membership fee, plus $2 per visit. A. Write an equation that can be used to find the number of visits for which the cost of the 2 plans is the same. B. Solve your equation. Explain the meaning of your answer in this situation. C. Which plan is the cheaper option if you want to visit the gym 100 times in a year? Show the work which supports your answer. Make sure you answer all 3 parts of question 16. This is the end of question 16. Question 17 has 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. If you have a calculator as one of your accommodations, you may use it during this time. Solve the following equations. Box your final answer. A. 5 plus x over 3 equals negative 25. B. Negative 8x minus 24 equals negative 4. 3x minus 13. C. 20x minus 9 equals 5x plus 39 plus 3x. D. Negative 2.7x minus 25 equals 5 minus 1.2x. Be sure to answer all 4 parts of question 17. This is the end of question 17. Question 18. This is an error analysis that should take you 10 minutes. If a calculator is one of your accommodations, you may use it during this time. A student solved both equations below. Each equation contains an error. Complete the table to identify which step the first error occurred and what the error was. You have the problem, in which step did the first error occur, And what was the error? The first equation is 6 minus x equals 5x plus 30. Equation number 2 is 3x minus 6 equals 7x plus 1. Be sure to fill in all of the boxes for problem 1 and problem 2. This is the end of question 18.